Here we have a couple of Trane XP1000s and XE1000 heat pump. Not sure if these are straight cooled or heat pumps, so I'll have to take a look at the data panels. And let's see here, this one's data panel. The model numbers model numbers, these were made this one was made in 1996, the model number is TTB018C100080. Serial number is L143XJYAF. So that makes this a straight cool unit. There's a spider web over here, so I'm not going to tangle with that. Nice. Let's see here. The model number on this one is TTB018C100A2. Serial number is P156 TJRBF. Is made in 1999. Oh, this unit also rocks. Let this focus. Focus. Here we go. See, this unit also rocks. So yeah, it's not too good. And now this one, the XE1000, the model number is TWR018C100A2. Serial number is N20414ACF. Is made in 1998. And yeah, so two Trane XP1000 straight cool. Hang on, focus. So yeah, two Trane XP1000 straight cool units and a XE1000 heat pump. This one's 1996, 1999, and 1998. And this also has a panel open, so there's the inside of the unit a little bit. You can see it's pretty dirty in there. So yeah. Oh, and you can also see the reversing valve in there. So yeah. Two straight, let's see here, a straight cool 1996 Trane XP1000, a straight cool 1999 Trane XP1000, and a Trane XE1000 heat pump from 1998. Over and out.